Welcome to the section on emotions and frequencies of attraction. Some experts say that emotions are irrational and should never be regarded as a crucial factor when it comes to important decisions in life. Nothing could be further from the truth. If you ignore your emotions now and you continue to ignore your emotions in the future, you will never be able to master your own thoughts. You will never be able to master your own thoughts. Mastering your own thoughts requires mastery of your emotions as well. You must be conscious of what you are feeling so you can easily trace the path towards what you are thinking. An emotion will always have a twin thought. Emotions can be viewed as a map to your own thoughts. It leaves a clear trail for you to follow. Emotions should never be shut out or stifled. Instead, embrace the emotion and try to find out why you are feeling that way. This way, real life obstacles and the problems can be resolved easily. Always remember, my dear folks, that emotions do not exist in a vacuum. Emotions are always there to remind you of your past and the present thoughts. If you feel awful, a thought or several thoughts are causing your weariness and anxiety. If you feel angry, the simple principle applies. Emotions also send out signals with a definite frequency to the universe. So, emotions also play an important role. See you in the next section.